So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we learn about how to add image on our React app. So let's start. Open the project. Open with Visual Studio Code. So here, okay, that is my code. Okay. Firstly, we create a folder here. Name you can say assets or image. So assets, and in this folder we paste a image. So from here I copy this image. So paste here, paste. Change the image name, so we call Umar. So we have a file jpg. So we here in dev everywhere. So here we create a dev. It's depend upon you can create dev or you can create direct image tag. So we paste a image in image tag. So img image. So that's okay. So src source is equal to. So here we give the path of image where our image is stored. Our image is stored in assets folder. So here we create a image object. Okay. Import Umar, that is a image object. You can create img1 like you it depend upon you. From assets, okay, assets, and in assets we have image name. We see here, that's folder our assets, and that is our image. So rename, control A, control C. So sometime there is a error in image because of your extensions. So carefully about the extension. So here we paste what is the object of the image, image1, control C, and we paste here. Okay, so we can npm start the project. So we have a output window. Okay, let's start it. Okay, here you can see the image. Okay, that's okay. So we style the image. It depend upon you style image by using css file or you image in inline styling. So I prefer for this inline styling or css. It depend upon you. So we set width. Okay, width, and width is equal to 300 and height is equal to 200. So that's our view is perfect. Okay, so we move image margin left 30 or 300. So okay, so our image pasted successfully. So if you can take experiment here, you cut from this and paste in dev. So our image is pasted, but our property is not set. So that is applicable for in React Native, just not React JS. So we style image in image tag. Okay, okay, so you can set the property image by w3 school, w3 school image. Okay, so image tag. So we see these properties